Hello traders, welcome to another weekly gold XAUUSD price prediction and analysis video for next week. So in this video we are going to analyze gold chart on different time frames, and we are going to check important price action levels, price action structures that currently gold is following, so that we can utilize those levels in next week for finding possible buy and sell opportunities. So before going into the price action, as usually, we are going to discuss the data of gold futures total volume and open interest, because for this week also we do not have the latest COT report with us, so we have to get some hints from this data only, that is from the open interest and volume. So we are watching this on 3-month period from here to here. Previously you can see we have seen a very good rising volume. You can see the volume was trending and was rising day by day, but after this peak you can see now the volume is decreasing day by day. Previously we have seen a good increase and we have already seen a good bullish run, but now the volume is decreasing day by day, which is not a very good sign. Also on open interest, the open interest was increasing, you can see, then some flat levels, and then now the open interest is also decreasing, but there is no big change. If we see this on weekly basis, let's switch it to weekly basis, and on weekly you can see that the volume is decreasing. From here you can see the volume decreasing day by day, some increase then decrease. So overall this is the decreasing volume sign. Same is going with the open interest. You can see the open interest for October 30, it was 456,333, then 449,900, and then low again. Yes, open interest is also decreasing. So both volume it is decreasing and open interest it is also decreasing, so which is not a very positive sign for gold bulls as per the recent data. As these both volume and open interest is decreasing, this is means that the price is not going anywhere and it is showing some consolidation or in range, and we already seen the impact on the price action. So now let's move on to the price action. On price action we are going to discuss the daily time frame first, and on daily time frame it is clearly visible right over here. We already discussed this in Telegram channel also. You can see the price is currently consolidating inside this gray box. You can see after this huge sell-off, or you can say in correction, now price is consolidating after this day onwards. You can see price is ranging inside this gray box. The lower level as per this range is 3925 on closing basis, as this is on daily closing. So on daily closing this lower level is a support on 3925, and into the higher side the level of 4025 is a resistance level as per this overall consolidation range, because we have not seen any closing above to this level and closing below to this level. Previously you can see the price also facing resistance on this resistance trend line. You can see this descending trend line, but now we have some positive sentiment. As you can see the price is breakout and closed above this trend line. This support is now acting as support. Along with this we have another support trend line on daily time frame, this right over here. So now as we have a breakout from this descending trend line, but overall the price is maintaining the range. So now the critical level that we have to watch is 4025. Any closing above to this level on daily time frame can initiate more higher level that we can see. So the first level that we have to watch is the pivot, the monthly pivot, that is 4067, which is near to 0.38 retracement, which is 4072. so this area, if breakout, we can expect this level very soon, because now as you can see, after this selling, the price is currently forming a base kind right over here and consolidating from many days. So we can expect some correction. The first level is this, and the second level that we can watch is the 50% retracement from this high to this low is 4132, roughly 4135 area, and the next major level 4190. Yes, these levels is possible if we see a breakout from here, and if price hold this level, this trend line, this rising trend line, price should not break this level or trend line, then only we can expect higher level. As overall we have a breakout, so the price action is showing positive sentiment and we can expect higher level as per the structure. Again, I'm repeating, we have to wait for a breakout on 4025. In lower level, this is the major support. Unless we see a breakdown, price can move higher. If price breakdown, then the lower level is possible, that we already discussed in previous weekly analysis video. So the daily time frame is currently showing positive sign. Now let's move on to weekly time frame price action. And on weekly time frame, you can see sorry, in previous week we have discussed that on price action basis, in previous week decline, we have seen the price rejecting from the very previous week low. Then again we have seen the rejection from this low, and for the current weekly closing, the price again reversed from the low and it is closed with a lower week. Previously we have a lower wick, and this is also a longer wick. So yes, price is currently, you can see, closed with a doji kind of candle, and we can expect some reversal, or you can say higher levels. It is not a complete reversal because we need to see a follow-up candle to see the confirm or to see the higher level. On weekly, 4100 psychological level will remain our first target. Into the lower level, again, this is the support that we have to watch. And on intraday time frame, if we see the intraday time frame and if we discuss it on this, just a second, this on 1 hour time frame, yes, you can see the price. If you remember the previous week analysis video, after this day, this is the narrow CPR day, we have seen that the price was moving and taking support on the CPR range and moving day by day in higher side. But again we have seen some narrow CPR and price faced resistance over to the CPR range and did not break above this CPR, and now again price, as you can see these three lines, this is the CPR range for each day. So now price is again moving with the help of the ascending CPR, and on Monday also we have the ascending CPR, these lines you can see. So yes, price can make a move into the higher. All we need a breakout from this trend line and close on lower time frame, 1 hour on 4 hour, then we can see the higher level. Into the lower side, this trend line is acting as support. Price should not break down, and if break down, then we can expect more decline or consolidation into this range. So the scenario is currently showing some sentiment on price action for bulls, but on the volume and open interest, it is still showing some range bound trend, and we have to wait for more reaction and more data from the volume and open interest. Also some positive news that we have seen in a previous week is this. As you can see, the China Central Bank add gold to reserve for 12th straight month. So this is a very positive news for short to mid-term to short term, we can say, because we already seen the impact in previous weeks. Also for silver, also we have some major news coming this week, and the news was this right over here. you can see that the US adds silver and copper to critical minerals list, which is also a positive news for silver also. Silver is also showing positive sentiment. I'm going to discuss the silver on different video on different chart, but for this you can read this news over here that this list, I think there is some problem with this. As you can see that this list is a signal to the market about what is US government is prioritizing. So yes, this is a, I think, positive news for the silver. And for gold, the positive news is this right over here, that China central bank add gold to reserve for 12th statement. So these are some positive news that can help gold bulls. And on price action also, I am expecting some higher level that we already discussed in Telegram channel. So we are going to discuss more about the levels and the live price action in Telegram channel. So see you there. Thank you.